Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Kit Kat milkshake. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Grab about 4 standard Kit Kat bars, 2 generous cups of creamy vanilla ice cream, and 1 cup of cold milk. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick dessert or a delightful snack, promising a rich, chocolatey experience with very little fuss. It's truly an easy method for a fantastic result. Now, let's get blending. Start by breaking your 4 Kit Kat bars into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps them blend more easily and ensures no large chunks remain. Next, add the broken Kit Kat pieces, your 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and the 1 cup of milk into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. To achieve your perfect milkshake consistency, you might need a slight adjustment. If you prefer a thicker shake, add an extra half cup of vanilla ice cream and blend again for 15 seconds. For a thinner consistency, simply add another 1/4 cup of milk. Also, give it a quick taste test. If you desire more sweetness, a teaspoon of sugar or a drizzle of chocolate syrup can be added before a final quick blend. Your delicious Kit Kat milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the freshly blended shake into 2 tall glasses. For an extra special touch, you can garnish each glass with a swirl of whipped cream on top. A whole Kit Kat finger or some chocolate shavings make for a beautiful and tasty final flourish. Serve immediately and savor every delightful sip of this easy-to-make, chocolatey treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.